Hi, we are Michelle and Jed of Intentional Travelers. Our digital nomad lifestyle allows us to live all around the world, but we still keep a routine no matter where we are. Here is a day in the life look at our lives. We start every day with exercise. We like to explore new places by jogging, hiking, or biking. Occasionally, we'll have access to a gym or use workout videos for indoor exercise as well. We usually make our own breakfast. Scrambled eggs and sweet potatoes is a favorite, and then it's time to work. We do freelance work for clients in the States, which is all remote. Working at cafes is a real treat, but we're usually on our laptops at the apartment or guest house where we're staying. Since lunch is usually the most affordable meal, it's often a meal we'll eat out. Usually, we'll walk or bike, but sometimes we might hop on public transit too. We get recommendations from review sites, blogs, and local friends on where to eat. In the afternoons, we might go back to work, or we might run some errands, like shopping for groceries in the local markets, or learning how to use the amenities in our apartment complex, or basic things like laundry. One of the biggest benefits of our flexible schedule is getting to visit family and friends, or meeting up with friends in different places. We don't have to wait until the weekend to spend time with people or embark on our own adventures, like hiking or sightseeing, wherever we happen to be. To wrap up the day, Jed usually cooks dinner for us, or we'll share a meal with our hosts. We'll wind down by watching some shows on our laptop and reading before bed. So that's a day in our life. The backdrop may change as we occasionally pack up and move to a new place, but our routine is pretty consistent, and it's how we enjoy spending our days. Thanks for watching.